civil emergency message. This is not a test. Yeah, this is a civil emergency. Zombies are roaming streets of cities across the world. Do not talk to these zombies. They are extremely dangerous and are armed. Take cover in a basement. Now. This has been the Washington, D.C. Defense System. Defense System out.
Civil emergency message. This is not a test. Zombies are continuing to bang down doors and roam streets. Do not answer the door to anybody. These zombies are extremely advanced and can disguise as anyone they kill. Do not go outside for any reason. Workers will deliver healthy and tasty foods to your doors. From the sound of the siren, you cannot leave your house until we have fixed the problem. This may last for as long as years. We will play another emergency alert when you can leave your homes.
This is not a test. A civil emergency is present. Zombies are invading streets of most areas of Europe. Do not go outdated. Do not answer the door to anyone. Going outside is a serious crime at this moment. Do not worry about food. Workers will come and deliver you food. Emergency calls may be severely disrupted during this time. Stay tuned for more updates.
This is a civil emergency message. This is not a test. Delivery workers who were delivering food to homes have been mostly killed by zombies. Half the government has been killed, and President Jonah was almost killed. Humans are on the brink of extinction. Only 2.5 billion people remain on planet Earth. The zombie disease will get to you if you stay outside for over 25 minutes. End of message 447.
Emergency action termination. All the zombies on the street, they're just fakes, okay? Do not worry about the zombies on the streets. They're nothing. And we suggest that you go to them and you talk to them, and they're very friendly and they would like to know some more about you. This is a civil emergency message. Now, the world is ending, and that's what's going on. This will be the last emergency alert ever played. So, goodbye world. This has been the President.